Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your Steam Deck. Image the internal drive so you can restore Steam OS if needed. Once done, on another PC download the correct Windows ISO and make a bootable USB with Rufus using GPT for UEFI. Make sure the USB is 16 GB or larger and formatted for UEFI boot. Power off the deck, hold volume down and press power to enter BIOS, then set USB boot priority. This gets you into the installer quickly and safely. Begin the Windows installer and choose Custom Install. Delete Linux partitions, but do not touch any backup images stored externally. Create a single NTFS partition and proceed with installation. Once Windows boots, connect to the internet and install the Steam Deck driver package that provides game mode buttons, audio, and controller functionality. Then install the correct AMD GPU driver or Microsoft DCH package. Restart as required, and Verify Device Manager shows no unknown device. Finish by installing Steam and configuring controller mappings. You may prefer Steam Big Picture or desktop mode depending on use. Once set, optimize power plans and thermal/power curves to balance performance and battery life. Make sure Windows Update and drivers stay current. If Windows fails to boot or hardware is missing, first reset BIOS to defaults and retry boot order. If that fails, restore your Steam OS image from the backup you made earlier. That single restore step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.